Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make chocolate. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. So firstly we need unrefined coconut oil, which we have to melt up to 45 Celsius degrees. When it's hot, we can just leave it outside for a while. Now we will need real cocoa. It's an individual matter how much cocoa you will add. If you want to have more bitter chocolate, you should add more cocoa and less carob, which we'll add now. It's a bit sweeter than natural cocoa. Now we mix everything together. As you can see, we already have chocolate that can be used, for example, as a cake topping. But in my opinion, it tastes even better when we add a little bit of shredded coconut or coconut flour. Mix everything again until the lumps will dissolve. These few ingredients make up basic type of chocolate. We can freely add ingredients to create other flavors. We can add, for example, crushed nuts, or add agave syrup as a sweetener, or replace carob with cocoa to achieve 100% bitter chocolate. After freezing using peeler, you can decorate your cakes. Now we put our chocolate to cool. It should be kept in a cold place if we don't want it to melt. Bon appetit!